If you're experiencing login errors on Instagram, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue effectively. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue persists. Step 2. Verify your credentials. Double-check your username and password for any typos. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password link to reset it. Step 3. Update the app. Make sure you are using the latest version of the Instagram app. Go to your device's App Store, search for Instagram, and update it if necessary. Step 4. Clear app cache. For Android users, go to Settings, Apps, Instagram Storage, and then clear the cache. For iOS users, you may need to uninstall and reinstall the app to clear the cache. Step 5. Check for account issues. Visit Instagram's Help Center to see if there are any issues with your account, such as being temporarily locked or disabled. Follow the instructions provided to resolve any account-related problems. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most login errors on Instagram. If issues persist, consider reaching out to Instagram support for further assistance.